Ambositra, or pronounced Ambusita, is a town in the central highlands of Madagascar, renowned for its wood carving tradition. It is considered the capital of the Malagasy wood carving culture, particularly by the Zafimaniry people, who are famous for their intricate and detailed woodwork. In Ambositra, you can find numerous workshops and artisans specializing in wood carving, producing a variety of decorative items, furniture, and sculptures. But this hotel, just settled on the outskirts of town, was built by the Zafimaniry craftsman without using a single nail. So, I'm in a small village in Madagascar, about 4 hours away from Ambositra. Normally, I do not film my hotels or where I'm staying. However, this particular hotel is incredibly interesting, and it's very beautiful. As you come down, there are these wall murals that are quite interesting to see. Also, the murals continue. It's insanely beautiful here. I don't ever film hotels or where I'm staying, but I have to show you this. I will shut up now and just let the footage speak for itself. Watch this. These are individual little bungalows that everybody stays in. So this is mine right here. But I'm gonna show you up close. Look at the architecture. I'm gonna take you into my bungalow right now. What I particularly love about this region of Madagascar is that they're woodworkers here. They take immense pride in the detail and the work of the wood. Just look at this door. These people who came to Madagascar sometime between 1500 and 2000 years ago relied on intricate joinery methods, including interlocking wooden joints, pegs, and mortise-and-tenon connections to construct their homes, furniture, and other decorative pieces. This technique showcases their deep understanding of wood as a material and their ability to create durable structures that can withstand the island's humid climate. Their work is highly regarded for its aesthetic appeal, characterized by geometric patterns and symbolic motifs, reflections of a sustainable, resourceful approach to using local materials. I mean, this is really in the wood. This is not some sort of pattern. This is actually carved into the wood. Look. Okay, now I'm going to bring you inside of this small bungalow. They call them bungalow. That's not my word. This is actually what they call them. So as I open the door, sorry, my bed is not made. I was just sleeping in here. Let me see if I can put the light on. It probably doesn't do much, but it's actually very nice. It's a little bit small of a place, but this is the bed. Sorry, it's unmade because I just woke up. But even on the walls here, you can see the intricate detail. The detail of the walls here are just immaculate. Really beautiful. Now there's a small ladder that goes up into a loft. I have not been up here yet, but we'll go. Now that I've climbed Mount Singi, I have lost my fear of heights, but there is a little loft up here with a bed. So it's a quite nice place. I really, again, like, I never film hotels, but I am very proud of this one. I really liked, this was a great find. Look at this door. And the bathroom is quite normal. It's actually very good. Standard sink, toilet, shower. Here it's quite nice. So I mean, you can come to rural Madagascar and just stay a night in one of these, and it's actually quite beautiful. It's quite nice. I really love this this hotel. This is Artisan Hotel. And you can see on the grounds, watch this. So make sure everything's locked. But I mean, look, it's like, I don't know, it looks German, it looks kind of English. There's a lot of things happening. There's Asian architecture. There's a lot of things happening on these grounds, and I absolutely love it. It's so tiny and cute and interesting. The ground is purple. I mean, just look at this. This is the hotel bar and restaurant right here. I just had breakfast. They served me a fried egg with French bread, some jam, and a coffee. It was fantastic. Also, pine trees. Again, I'm obsessed with these pine trees in Africa. I do not know why there are pine trees in Africa. I asked my driver. Apparently, these were imported by... He says the English. I don't know if I believe him, but they were imported for sure from someone. But just look at this. Cactus also. Cactus imported from someone, maybe the Spanish. I have no idea. If anybody knows where pine trees or cactus were imported from, please tell me in the comments, because I'm dying to know. I do not know where they're from. But the grounds here are absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at this. Now, I've shown you the grounds, I've shown you the bungalow, I've shown you what this beautiful hotel looks like. But I'm not done. There's more. As you walk through the hotel, you can come through this little alley, and the little alley gives a beautiful scenery. I'm going to fly my drone through this. It's kind of, it overlooks the neighborhood. And I'm gonna fly my drone over it, so you'll see drone footage now. But look at this. So there's like this patio, this beautiful little patio. Also, another thing I should mention, nobody is here. I'm the only person here. There's nobody on the entire grounds. There's nobody in any of the other bungalows. I'm the only person here. It's me and my driver and the employees of this hotel. But look at this. It's this cute little patio. And it overlooks rice fields and the neighborhoods of this village of Madagascar. Look at this. This is absolutely stunning to me.
According to scholars, the Zafimaniry people are likely descendants of the larger Betsileo ethnic group in Madagascar, who themselves have origins tracing back to the early Austronesian settlers from Southeast Asia, particularly from regions like Indonesia and Malaysia. This is why this area looks more Asian-inspired than African, even though we're on the African continent.
So down here you see these are rice fields. They're growing rice. To the right, this is a rice nursery. So what they're doing here is they're starting seeds so that they can be replanted in other fields outside of the city. The rest of this is actual rice, and they're growing rice here. All through these areas, you can see people walking through their little pathways in between the rice fields, so you can get to and from. If you can, I don't know if you can see this, but this is a stadium. Normally, when it's the high season and much warmer, young men will come and wrestle the zebu, the cattle, so like bulls, and the entire city comes right there on those steps, and they watch the young men wrestling the cattle. But I mean, this is just stunning, just a beautiful little hidden gem of Madagascar that I enjoyed, and I hope I was able to just share a little bit with you. I like this sort of stuff.